Hey, I'm Ryan Carpenter, and this is another Super 60 Seconds. I hope you all had the opportunity to attend conferences and were able to connect with your child's teachers. Thank you for taking the time to build that partnership with our schools. We care deeply about our service and commitment to you and your family. I also want to thank those of you who took the time to complete our Parent Satisfaction Survey. We will share those results with you in May, and we look forward to having another conversation on what actions we can take to address your feedback. Today's Super 60 update will center around the status of our turf field installation project. After all the unpredictable weather we have had over the past week, I am reminded again of why we need facilities that can withstand our Oregon fall and winter. Our children deserve safe, up-to-date outdoor spaces, and that field serves as a sports facility, a classroom, and a key community gathering spot. After months of careful planning, permitting, and collaboration with some fantastic community volunteers, we have now broken ground on that field. Over the spring and summer, we will be working with Field Turf and a lot of local volunteers to have our new field ready to serve our community before our fall sports seasons. We have had several videos on the topic that delve deeper into how the field was funded to ensure that dollars are not diverted away from the classroom, as well as a video explaining why this project was prioritized. Please check them out. Lastly, I'll be hosting another Facebook Live tomorrow evening at 7:00 p.m. and will be joined by high school principal Amy Hudson as we begin discussing the exciting topic of graduation. I hope to see you there. Have a great week.